up like 5 minutes back and it's around 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So today is my dadi's birthday and I thought that it's a pretty productive day, so let's just vlog it, and I hope that you're interested in watching a day in my life. Okay, so I just took a bath, had my breakfast, and now my mother is saying to go somewhere. So I'll just show you my outfit in 3, 2, 1. So this is my outfit, guys. Do you like it? Do you not like it? So I'll just now tie my hair and go. Bye. Mama, say hi. Wow. Okay. So I was really skeptical whether I should make a day in my life video or not, because my entire purpose of making a YouTube channel was to take a break from the stress I had been taking from a couple of days regarding career or otherwise. So today, since it's my dadi's birthday and my mom is taking to kahan le ja rahe ho? To shop some plants. So we are basically going to a nursery. So I thought it would be fun, so I'll vlog it as well. Mama, what do you think about my YouTube channel? It's okay for passing time. I सोच रही हूँ कि I'll do it full time. What do you think?
No, sorry.
क्यों? People earn money, Mama, because of it.
It's only just a freelancing sort of.
So you think that I'm not a good YouTuber? I cannot do it full time?
I mean, I cannot say anything. Life is life.
My mother all wet. Mama, वैसा क्या काम करके आई हो?
I really wanted my 2 planters basically. I'm looking for another planters for what have come so long.
Need hoggers for plants and क्या बोलते हैं उनको, pots and planters. If you have any query regarding your plants, please contact my mother. She has an Instagram page. आपके पेज का नाम क्या है?
Baby ship.
No, it's called Know My Garden, Mama. Okay, bye. Okay, so I just came back from where we went and I just uploaded a new video. If you haven't checked it out, then please check it out. And here's my doggy, Murphy. Okay. He clearly hates me, I guess. You know, Murphy?
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Okay, so my mood is very bad right now because Murphy just spoiled the cake. This is how it looks. Very, very bad. And also, my daddy did not know that we were coming because she's totally unprepared because I didn't wish her. But let's see ki kya hota hai. Oh, I have someone to meet. Look who's here.
Hi. We just got another cake.
Oh, okay. So he's my brother, Pranjal Shah. Follow him on Instagram. He's in Merchant Navy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dadi Mama.
रुको जरा, सबर करो, बोला।
सारी की सारी रात में साथ निभाए जो तू जन्मों ही जन्मों का तू ही.
So she's my friend Rishika, the one who ordered burgers. So Rishika, say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys, today we are planning a girls' night out.
Because tomorrow is
Is it
friendship
an all
day.
girls' night out?
Yeah, it's an all
Yeah,
girls.
it's an all
Where's the third girl but? Ananya?
Where are you?
Okay, I'm not coming. Hi.
Okay, so we are planning a friendship day, girls'
Friendship Day
night.
special night.
Yeah, so stay
It's gonna
tuned.
be all girls' night. So stay tuned.
Yeah, how do you feel after the fame you have received on the previous video?
Yeah, it was good. It was a good experience. It was something new for me to get so much attention from people, and yeah, it was good.
And how do you feel as a driver for today?
pathetic, but that's
ये क्यों होता है?
Divani, what are you checking out?
Cheesecake and bread.
Okay. So as you can check out Divani's outfit. What you wanna have?
Or tiramisu.
Okay.
Or
The,
tiramisu.
the child has lost her shit and she wants everything now. Divani, you had a lot.
Blueberry cheesecake also.
You had a lot yesterday in the challenge. Still you wanna have? Okay, this girl has totally lost her. So we are here at Hazelnut Bakery. And that's Devyani.
जब तुम मिले तो दिल ऐसे खिले जब तुम मिले तो दिल
I came back from my daddy's place like 5 minutes back and directly I came to. So I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. So bye. It is 1:30 in the night and I was editing the video while I realized that I haven't shot the outro. So if you liked my totally unfiltered vlog, subscribe to my channel, like this video and do tell me if you want more such vlogs. Till then,